Ndewo m Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word bulie. Bulie. The word bulie in English language means to lift or carry. Bulie, lift, to lift. Bulie ocha, lift this chair or carry this chair. Bulie akwa, lift that cloth. Bulie onwe gị, lift yourself. Bulie onwe gị ebe ahụ, lift yourself from that place. Bulie onwe gị, bulie Chineke enu, lift God high. Bulie Chineke, lift God high. Bulie onwe gị, lift yourself. Bulie onwe gị, lift yourself. Bulie oche, lift the chair. Lift the chair. These are the examples of sentences you can make with the word bulie. It is now your turn. Try to attempt making simple sentences and put it in the comment section and share with others. I know you've learned something new today. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. See you again tomorrow. Kemesia.